So, what is your name?
My name is Anchal.
Anchal. Anchal, so give me a brief introduction about yourself.
Okay, sir. Sir, my name is Anchal Oja. My father name is Mr. Dinesh Kumar Oja. Basically, I am from Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. About my qualification, I had completed my graduation from APS University Rewa in year 2022. After my completing graduation, I had completed my full stack development certification from Pro Skill Hub. About my family member, there are five family member in my family, including me.
What are your hobbies, Anchal?
Sir, my hobbies is listening song and playing cricket.
What are your weaknesses?
My weakness is English, but I am working on it.
What are your strengths?
My strength is self-depend and discipline.
So, have you made any project during your full stack development certification?
Yes, sir. In a stack development certification, I had covered two projects. First is e-commerce, and second is city information.
What are the languages you are proficient in?
What's it?
What are the languages you have covered?
My internship, I had covered two languages. In a banquet, Ruby on Rails, MySQL databases, and in a frontend, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, etc.
Explain your project, please.
Okay, sir. In my internship, I have completed a project which is based on e-commerce. There are there are several technologies are added, and many functionalities and features are also added. But my role is authentication and authorization, which is created by gem device, and I have also give the role of supplier, admin, and customer with the help of Rolify gem. And the admin role is control the supplier and customer, and supplier always add the product to the card and also handle the customer, and customer role is add to the card to the add the product to the add to card, and also give a payment gateway functionality.
Okay. So, how much experience you have on Ruby on Rails?
1 year experience.
No, 1 year. Okay. So, let's just move into the technical part. What is Ruby on Rails?
Ruby is a backend language, and it is a combination of Perl and Python. And Rails is its framework.
Hmm. Okay. What is migration in Ruby?
Migration is a controlled schema of application as per the migration.
What is association?
Association is a tool where we combine the two table of active record job.
How is method overloading is different from method overriding?
Overriding. Overriding is also called a runtime polymorphism. It means we create a method from a different name, same name but different classes. It's called overriding method. And
What is
it
the
is
diff?
a,
Yeah,
sorry, sir.
it is.
It is created in a Ruby on Rails. Ruby on Rails support the overriding, not a overloading polymorphism.
What's the difference between delete and truncate?
Delete and truncate. Delete is a use for the delete all particular data in a table, and truncate is used for the all data in a table.
What are SQL joins?
SQL join is a combination of two table. It is join the two or more other table. There are four type of SQL. First is an inner join, and second is a self join, third is a cross join, and fourth is a outer join. And outer join also have two type. First is a right join, and second is a left join.
Give me a real life example of abstraction.
Real life of abstraction. The real life example of abstraction is a smartphone. We use a smartphone for listening song and calling, messaging, but we don't know how it is work.
What are the types of inheritance?
There are five type of inheritance. First is a single inheritance, second is a multiple inheritance, third is a single inheritance, fourth is a hierarchical inheritance, and fifth is a hybrid inheritance.
Okay, what is the difference between multiple and multi-level?
Multiple inheritance is used for we inherit the classes from one child class and two parents classes. But multi level inheritance be related to child class and multiple parents class.
What are the limitations of hoops?
There are the limitation of oops is a writing code and sorting and third is a
Okay, what is MVC?
this is a stand for model view controller, where we created on a databases and also it handle the validation and transition etc. And view is a template blueprint where we use for the view so option for in a Chrome, and also it handle the CSS, and controller control the view and model also.
What is ORM?
ORM is a stand for Object Relational Mapping. It is a Ruby active record library, and it is stored the data in a databases, and also it is stored the common data.
What is exceptional handling?
Exception handle. Exception handle is an unwanted and unaccepted event occur due to the execution of program.
What are access specifiers?
Access modifier is a control the accessibility and visibility of the method. There are three type of access modifier. First is a private, second is a public, third is a protected.
What is encapsulation?
Encapsulation is a bind the data in a single unit. Encapsulation is a mechanism of object-oriented programming language. It is used to bind the data in a single unit.
What is scaffolding?
Scaffolding is a tool where we some major pieces of scaffold generated. When we generated a model controller and view in a single model, so scaffolding is a best tool,
What is active storage?
and it is also performed a CUD operation.
Okay, what is active storage?
Active storage is a active storage is a tool where stored the all active storage file such as uh, resourceful route, RB, etc.
What is action cable?
Action cable is a framework of a real-time communication over WebSocket.
What is asset pipeline?
Asset pipeline is a method where set the assets such as JavaScript, HTML, CSS, etc.
What is Docker?
Docker. Docker is a software platform where deploy the our application quickly.
What is rake in Ruby on Rails?
In a Ruby on Rails, Rake is a popular task runner. It is a creation of databases and handle the validation. Also, it is used for the in a our application in a runtime sort of program. also it created, and it is used for, mostly it is used for the run our task.
What is resourceful routing?
Resource resource routing is a set and standard of a CRUD action in a model of our real application.
What is hybrid inheritance?
Hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is used for the uh, when our two or more than parents classes each inherit the one single classes.
Mhm. What are exceptions?
Exceptions can handle ex- exception handle is unwanted and unaccepted events occur due to the execution of program.
What are the features of Ruby on Rails?
The features of Ruby on Rails is a MVC where we generate the model view controller automatically, and the second is a r- uh, routing, rb.file, ORM, active job, active record. There are many and several features of Ruby on Rails.
What are the advantages of Ruby on Rails?
Advantage of Ruby on Rails, firstly, it is a short writing code in a application, and it is also generated in a short time of uh, in a short term of application, and it is a framework also generated. So it is a features of Ruby on Rails.
Give me a real life example of polymorphism.
Polymorphism. The real life example of polymorphism is a man of a man is a best example of polymorphism. A man have different behavior in a different places. At office, he is an employee. At home, he is a father, husband, son, etc.
Okay. What is class?
Class is a class is an instance of a object and it is also created of object, and object is an instance of of blueprint and template.
What is object?
Object is an instance of class, and it is a it is used for the application when the real life example of class and object is a classroom is a class, and their teacher, furnitures, students, these are object.
What are methods?
Method is a instance of class, and it is used and it is also instance of class.
Okay. What is overriding polymorphism?
Overriding polymorphism is also called runtime polymorphism. It is used on Ruby on Rails, and from when we create a method in a same name but different classes, it's called overriding polymorphism.
What are the benefits of OOPS?
The benefits of OOPS is a uh,
Hmm.
sir, no idea.
Okay. So, what is sidekick?
Sidekick is a tool, and it is also Ruby library, and it use form application for a Build the process of application.
What is the difference between string and symbol?
String is used for the our code for double inverted comma, and symbol is used for the after writing the code for in a column.
What is API?
API is a connection. API is used for application for the connection between the two software with the help of internet, and we discuss our code for anywhere, and it is used the change our change our inform change our information to system software.
Are you comfortable to relocate into different city?
Okay, sir.
Okay. What's the salary expectation?
My salary expectation is 4 to 5 LPA.
Okay.